Coming soon, a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home designed for first-floor open floor plan living. It features an office, kitchen and dining area open to the great room, first-floor primary bedroom with tile bath, hardwood floors, quartz counters, breakfast bar, tankless water heater, dual-fuel heat pump HVAC, front porch, rear screen porch, open deck, and a 2-car garage with plenty of storage. All of this is priced to sell and in the community of Independence, located in a rural setting, but near beaches, attractions, and life's necessities. It is Coastal Delaware's premier 55-plus active community and offers lawn care, a 27,000 square foot community center, indoor pool, outdoor pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, billiards room, meeting room, walking paths, tennis, pickleball, garden center, dog park and more. The community has a very active social environment where homeowners can engage in a variety of activities including game night, bike rides, line dancing, happy hours and much more. Call for an appointment today.